we just got back from C's. Look, ow. C's candy. Okay, so hold my camera. Let me show them what we got. Hold this. Hold on. So we got a whole pound. I think this is half a pound actually. I don't know. Got that.
It's a good
and then I got this milk chocolate bar. Okay. And then we got this for my cousin. It's so pretty. Maybe I'll take it. I don't know. Yeah, but that's what we got from C's. And then Samantha over here, Miss Samantha, had asked them, oh, can I get a sample in this? Can I get a sample? I mean, the lady was nicely asking us, like, oh, would you like a sample? Like, they only ask you if you want a sample one time. They don't ask you a sample for, okay?
I only asked one.
She ate like all their chocolate as samples.
I had 2. Okay.
Anyways, so we're just walking down
So dramatic.
our pathway.
Ooh, it looks so pretty. Look at forest.
It's so pretty. Look at that. It's so shady now.
Shady.
Shady. I'm pretty bored.
I know, come here.
We're just walking with our C's candies. You know. Yeah. And then so I got a sample, right? And she eats the other piece.
I don't like
She ate it.
It was disgusting.
And she's like, oh, you want it back? I'm like, no, I don't want it back.
It was molasses.
Gosh.
I only had 2 samples, okay? You're so mean. I have molasses.
Be quiet. I'm the most nicest person
No.
on earth.
I had mocha chocolate, and then I had
Hi! Hi, guys!
Shut up.
I love you!
I love you, world.
There's the road.
Yeah.
Watch a guy pass.
Our ghetto town.
Yeah. It's not ghetto. It's not ghetto. We live in such a nice town. It's so pretty here. Come on, we live in California, girl. We're undeniable. I'm just kidding.
I
Ew,
love
a
this town.
puddle.
I was just kidding. It's awesome.
Then why don't you move? Samantha.
Shut up. You missed me. Yeah.
I'm not gonna see him. Alright guys, so this was our C's adventure. So make sure you rate, comment, click that like button, and do all that fun stuff, and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And I don't know where I'm gonna be, so that car was hella staring at me. So I really don't know where I'm gonna be in my next video. So I love you guys very much, and I'll see you guys in a bit.